I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to avoid Zoho Shia's ultimate attack. This powerful move is a massive, arena-wide inferno that can wipe out an unprepared team. It's crucial to understand its mechanics and tells. Look for Zoho Shia to take flight or gather fire in its mouth, signaling the impending ultimate. Being aware of these cues is your first step to survival, allowing you to react effectively and minimize damage from this formidable foe. A key strategy involves using your elemental slinger ammo. When Zoho Shia initiates its ultimate, large crystal spikes will emerge. Shoot these spikes with elemental pods to destroy them, creating vital safe zones within the arena. You can also target smaller, scattered crystals with elemental pods to deal additional damage to Zoho Shia and prevent further environmental hazards. This is a highly effective counter. Strategic positioning is paramount for survival. When Zoho Shia unleashes its ultimate, quickly move to the far side of the arena or directly behind the monster to find relative safety. For its other powerful attacks, practice dodging to the sides or even underneath its massive body. Always be vigilant for glowing ground areas, as these indicate imminent explosions you must avoid at all costs. Preparation is key to consistently avoiding Zoho Shia's ultimate. Equip armor sets that offer high fire resistance to mitigate incoming damage. Additionally, consider incorporating defensive skills, such as evade window, to increase your dodge in vulnerability frames. Most importantly, consistent practice will sharpen your reflexes, allowing you to learn Zoho Shia's attack patterns and react with precision every single time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.